Self-love is very important. Love yourself. My name is Samira. Welcome back to my channel. Beautiful basket waistline gathered skirt tutorial is what I'll be sharing with you guys today. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share with friends and family members. You can also comment below. You can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my beautiful tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. If this sounds like what you need right now, please keep on watching to the end. Let's get started with our tutorials. It's a 2 yards of crepe fabric and it's a long skirt that is going to have basket effect. So my upper part that is going to serve as the basket effect. So I'll be cutting it out and I'm going to fold my fabric into 4 parts. So I'm going to cut the front and the back piece together. It's very easy to cut your fabric this way. So I folded my fabric already into 4. So that's what I'm showing you guys, because it's very easy to cut your fabric this way, guys. So I will just go ahead now to mark my length of my skirt. The upper part, the length is by 10.5 inches. So that's the 10.5 inches that I'm marking for the length of the upper part. Remember, it's going to have basket effect at the bottom of the skirt. And my waist is by 26 inches. So that's for my waist measurements. I'm going to divide it by 4 and I have 6.5 inches. Then I'm going to add my allowance by 1.5 inch. So that's the waist measurement that we are taking now. Okay. At the bottom of my fabric, so I'm going to mark 6.5 inches because the measurement is the same. So I'm going to also add my allowance by 1.5 inch. So that's the allowance, which is by 1.5 inch. So the waist measurement is the same, that is the bottom, and the waist measurement is the same. So the zipper side is by 1 inch. So I'm through with my measurements. So I'm going to just connect the marks together. So from the waist, I'm going to just take it down to the bottom of my fabric. So remember, it's going to have basket effect at the bottom. As for my basket effect shape, so I'll place my tape right there and mark 5 inches. So that's for the basket effect measurement. Then I'm going to use my ruler to take it down to the edge of my fabric. So this is how to make yours when making your own. So I'm through with the measurements. So I'll just go ahead now to cut it out. So after this part, I'll head over to stitch it together. Okay, so that's the cutting. I love encouragement because we all need it now. Encourage someone. You can start by saying something to me in the comment section. Yes, now. So it's been a while. You can also ask me your question too. You can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you guys. Okay, so that's the front and the back. So that's what I'm showing you guys. It's very simple, very easy to cut and sew this style. So it's a long skirt, so I'll be marking my measurements now for the skirt. So I'll place my tape there, then I'm going to take it down and mark 32 inches, but the full length is 42 inches. So I'm going to add the upper part and this measurement, so everything is 42 inches. Okay, and I'm using 2 yards of this fabric, the crepe fabric. Okay, so my skirt is a bandless skirt. Okay, so I'll be cutting this fabric. So this is what I'm going to use for the facing. So after this part, I will head over to stitch it around the waist. Then I'm going to turn it and iron it out also. So it's very simple to cut. Alright, so guys, don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also turn notification bell also to also get notified to see my sewing tutorials that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. So don't forget the style that we are making. It's a simple basket waistline skirt that we are making today. So I've run my stitch. Don't forget towards straight stitch. Okay, so this is how to form the gathers. So I'm going to gently draw the thread like this, as you can see me doing in the video. I have similar tutorials also on my YouTube channel that you can also watch. Okay, so this is how your own should look like when making your own. And if you have any question, you can also ask me in the comment section. I'm going to reply you also. And please don't forget to share this tutorial also with your friends and family members. Please also ask them to watch my tutorials. So this is how to go about it when making your own. Don't forget the style that we are making today. It's a simple basket waistline skirt, and it's a long skirt, and the fabric is a crepe fabric, and it's 2 years of it that I'm using to make this style. So guys, keep on watching this video because we are going to also join the skirt together, that is the front and the back piece together. So I want you to keep on watching this video to the end, and don't forget to also subscribe please if you have not subscribed. So I'm still trying to gather it well. Okay, so after this part, I'm going to also attach it around the waistline of the skirt. It's a beautiful skirt that we are making today, very simple, and you can use your crop top to wear this skirt also. So I faced the waist of my skirt, and I'm going to also join the front and the back skirt together. Okay, and I'm going to divide my measurements by 2 when joining the body together. So my waist is by 26 inches, then I'm going to divide it by 2, and it's 30 inches. So I'll go down to the bottom of the skirt. Okay, so I'm marking the 30 inches first. Then at the bottom of the skirt is the same measurement, so I also have 30 inches there to mark also. So after that, I'll just connect the lines together and sew on the line also. You can see that the skirt style is very simple to cut and sew. So I'll just connect it together, then I'm going to also stitch it. Then after stitching it, then we are going to also attach the gathers. So the gathers will be at the bottom of the skirt, the down of the skirt. Okay, so this is how to attach the gathers around the bottom of the skirt. So I'm going to start from the zipper side, that is the back zipper side. So that's where I'm going to start the gathers from. So I'm going to continue to pin it round the way you can see me doing. So I'll continue to pin it round, and you can see the color of my fabric. You can see how beautiful it is. So when making your own, so you can look for fabric that is colorful like this but simple like mine. So you can use it so that your style can come out well. And this skirt, you can wear it with your crop top also. So I'll continue pinning it around the bottom of the skirt, so it's going to go around like this. So after this part, I'll head over to stitch it well. Okay, I'm going to also iron it out, and you're going to see the final look of this skirt that we are making today. I hope you are enjoying the video. Please keep on watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. So I have my simple basket one layered gathered skirt. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. Say something to encourage me. You can also turn notification bell to get to see my new tutorial when next I upload new one. Thank you all for always stopping by to watch my beautiful tutorials. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.